Hey guys, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be. Got home, got a package from the Department of Chemistry at Mississippi State University. Super cool. Wondering who it was from or what it was about. Then I found this. Hello Frank, I found this to go with the LCR meter. I thought you should have it. David. How cool is that? I bought this meter quite some time ago. This is the original manual. Maintenance and everything. It's got all the schematics in it. It's perfect shape. Love it. All this. How beautiful is that? I have all the accessories that go with this thing, including this guy. Incredibly rare. So cool. I even have that. I'm gonna have to go through this thing with you guys one day. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to show you guys the different waveforms that you can get off of capacitors when you're checking them for leakage. We'll get there. So cool. Go through this with you guys. Oh, love it. So I've already calibrated this. Pardon me. I've already calibrated mine. Upon receipt, it wasn't that far out. Super cool. Look how cool this is. I love people that just keep all this stuff. This is amazing. It's amazing to have this. I love Syncor stuff. And of course, the certificate of calibration, 1984. I was in 4th grade. Some dude was wielding this thing like a king. This thing probably would have been the equivalent of like 30 grand back then. It's amazing. So cool. So cool. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll get this uploaded. Maybe you guys might find this pretty entertaining. I know I do. Bye.